Welcome to Wisdom Era English Medium School. Today we'll start new lesson subtraction. That is subtraction of numbers. In that without borrowing or regrouping. Both also same. Let us start with example. 9,74,518 minus 3,50,214. Now we have to write these numbers in the place value chart. 9,74,518 minus 3,50,214. We have to write in this place value chart. So as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Always we have to start from the ones place. When you subtract or add it, we have to start from the ones place. Then goes on towards left side. Now begin with ones place. 8 minus 4, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Now 100 place. 5 minus 2, 3. Now next 4 minus 0, 4 itself. 7 minus 5, 2. Now 9 minus 3, 6. So when you subtract this, we get the difference. 9,74,518 minus 3,50,214. We get the difference. That is answer. 6,24,304. This is the one example for the without borrowing or regrouping. Now one more example. 79,64,217 minus 65,31,012. We have to write these numbers in the place value chart. 79,64,217, 65,31,012. We have to write these in the place value chart. Always we have to start from the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, finally 10 lakh. First we have to start from the ones place. Next tens, hundreds, thousands towards left side. First one, 7 minus 2 gives 5. Now tens place. 1 minus 1 gives 0. Next 2 minus 0, 2 itself. 4 minus 1, 3. Next 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 6, 1. So this is the subtraction of without regrouping or borrowing. So when you subtract these two numbers, we'll get the difference. What is the difference? 14,33,205. Now let's move to with borrowing or regrouping. Subtraction of 6-digit numbers with regrouping or borrowing. Example, 5,74,361 minus 3,36,892. When you subtract these two, we get the difference. So these numbers we have to write in the place value chart. 5,74,361 minus 3,36,892. We have to write these in the place value chart. We have to start from the ones place. Next, towards left side. As you know that how to subtract. So this is with regrouping. First start from the ones place. So ones place, 1 minus 2. As you know that 1 is less than 2. So there is no enough ones to subtract 2. So we have to regroup or borrow from the tens. So 11 minus 2 will get the 9. Here next in tens place, we cannot subtract the 5 minus 9. As you know that 5 is lesser than the 9. We have to borrow from the 100 place or regroup. So now 15 minus 9. You get the answer 6. Next 100 place. So 2 minus 8. We cannot subtract. Here also 2 is less than the 8. So we have to borrow from the thousands. So when you regroup that, so you'll get the 1200s. So now 12 minus 8, you get 4. Next 1000 place. So here also 3 minus 6 we cannot subtract. As you know 3 is lesser than the 6. Again we have to borrow from the 10,000 place or regroup the 10,000 and 1000 place. So now 13 minus 6. What is the answer? Yes, 7. Next 6 minus 3. You get the 3 itself because 6 minus 3 can be subtracted. So 5 minus 3 finally 2. So finally you get the answer. Now subtraction with zeros. How to subtract the numbers with zeros? Here is an example. 46,743 we have to subtract from the 50,000. How? We have to write these number in the place value chart. So here you see 1000, 100, tens, ones place. There is zeros. You cannot subtract the numbers. So we have to regroup it. How? From the 5000. 10,000 plus 5 is there. 1000, 100, tens, ones. So zeros are there. We cannot subtract. So we have to regroup it. How? 5 10,000 is equal to 4 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 900 plus 9 tens plus 10 ones. When you regroup it, then you can subtract the numbers. So first ones place. 10 minus 3, 7. What will be the answer? 7. Now tens place. 9 minus 4. What will be the answer? 5. Very good. 5. Next comes to 100 place. 9 minus 7. What is the answer? Yes, 2 is the answer. Now comes to 1000 place. 9 minus 6. What is the answer? Yes, 3. Now 10,000 place. So here 4 remains. So 4 minus 4, you get the 0 only. What is the answer? 0 only. This is the way we have to subtract the numbers with zeros. Thank you. Thank you very much.